So a ratio is a comparison of two quantities. And it's either a part to a part, like green to blue, or a part to a whole, like green to all the paper clips, or blue to all the paper clips. And a ratio can be written in 3 different ways. And you need to pause there and write this down. You need to write down the ratio is green paper clips to blue paper clips. That's in words. You can do it using the word 2. 2 to 6. You can use it using a colon, but you say it 2 to 6. Or you could do it in what looks like a fraction, but is not a fraction, it's just fraction form, and you say 2 to 6. And as with fractions, ratios should be expressed in simplest form. So this would be 1 to 3. Okay? So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Used to compare a part to a whole. We've been comparing a part to a part. So it says several students were asked to name their favorite flavor of gum. Write the ratio that compares the number of students who chose fruit to the total number of students who responded. So you want to know fruit to students. So again, I'm labeling my ratio. Fruit is 3. And then to find out students, I need to add this up. And that adds up to 17, 20, 21. 21 students. So what that's saying is that 1 out of every 7, because that's simplified, 1 out of every 7 students prefers fruit gum. Okay, so now whenever you have a ratio, that's a comparison of two quantities, and then a rate is a comparison of two quantities with different units. And a rate for 1 unit of a given quantity is called unit rate. You need to write that down. And an example is $4 per 1 pound. So if you have dollars per cases, $9 for 3 cases. Then you just divide. 9 divided by 3 is $3 for 1 case. And then, let's say this is 26 meters. 26 meters in 2 seconds. So that's 26 divided by 2 is 13 meters per second. And go ahead and do these. 100 cups of yellow. If I have 2 cups, it would be 12. And if I have 3, it would be 18. And if I have 4, it would be 24. And if I have 5, it would be 30. I'm adding 6 each time. But if I look at the relationship, it's times 6, times 6, times 6, times 6. So my ratio is 1 to 6, so to get from 1 to 6, it's times 6. So do is label your table. A patient receives 1 liter of IV fluids every 8 hours. So liters and hours. So 1 liter in 8 hours. And you want to find out how long it will take to receive 4 liters. So 2 would take how much time? 16. And 3 would take 8 more, so that's 24. And 4 would take 8 more, so 32. And I can also look at scale factor. Times 8, times 8, times 8, times 8. I can look at the pattern. 8, 16, 24. And label your answer. Then number 7 is a challenge because it says the average person takes 7 breaths in 30 seconds. So that's breaths in seconds. And 7 breaths, 30 seconds. Based on this average, how many breaths would the average person take in 3 minutes? So how many seconds are in 3 minutes? And so 60 seconds in each minute. So 3 minutes would be 180 seconds. And then how do I get from 30 to 180 is times 6. So 7 times 6. So go ahead and finish this out. Write your proportion. Write your answer and label it. In his last basketball game,